it's 端午节! Which is the Dragon Boat Festival. Welcome back to Mandarin Note. Since we're in lockdown, I thought I'd show some activities we do at home. So today we're going to try 立蛋, egg balancing, and eat some 粽子, rice dumplings. So now it's around 11:55, and it's believed that during noon at exactly 12 o'clock, one is able to balance eggs due to the strong yang energy. By doing so, one will have good luck for the coming year. If not for the pandemic, temples would hold egg balancing competitions. So here I have a dozen eggs, and well, 立蛋 is not as easy as one thinks. And if you ask me how hard it is, well, to be honest, I struggle every year trying to make them stand up straight. However, there are little tips and tricks one can use, like salt. So yeah, it technically is a little bit of cheating, but with a little bit of help from salt, we can also achieve the same results. And yeah, so take a little pinch of salt, and then you sprinkle it, and voila. Oh, 我们成功了. I'm not the best at balancing eggs, but my sister was able to balance 5 of them, which is outstanding. While we take a look at 粽子, also known as rice dumplings, here's a few taboos that one shouldn't do during the Dragon Boat Festival, since it is actually the most ominous day of the year. It is not recommended to go out or hold any weddings or funerals. Furthermore, one should not play in water because this holiday is rumored to be when the water spirits are most evil, and they will drag you to replace their place in order to be reborn. So now we're going to try and open our rice dumpling. It's covered in bamboo leaves, also known as 竹叶 in Mandarin. And later we're going to kind of torture our rice dumpling and inspect it more closely. So rice dumplings have regional differences, but mostly they consist of sticky rice, 糯米, and also 花生, peanuts, 肉 meat, dried scallops, 干贝, 栗子 chestnuts, and 鹹蛋黃 salted yolk. The backstory to 粽子 is due to a government official named Chu Yuan. He was very much respected and wished to help the emperor from being framed. However, the emperor did not listen and was killed. Out of grief, Chu Yuan committed suicide by drowning himself in the Miluo River. Because of admiration for Chu Yuan, the local people living near Miluo River rushed into their boats to search for him while throwing rice into the waters to appease the river dragons. This is also why people rode dragon boats on this day. So, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Now I'm going to enjoy my rice dumpling, and see you next time. Bye!